So hi everyone. Today we'll be discussing about a very important tutorial, that is how to use Hugging Face LLMs. So be it Phi2, be it Flan T5, be it other models that are available on Hugging Face, how to use them in like just two lines of code. So let's get started. So first of all, as we have OpenAI API keys to use, eventually you need to have your Hugging Face API token also. So the best part is you can create this API token for free, and most of the models you can inference directly without paying for anything. So let's get started. So for creating Hugging Face Hub token, I have already shared a video in my previous tutorials. So I have shared a link in the description. You can check that. So once you get that token, basically you need to have a read token to load model to like read models in Hugging Face Hub. Once you get this token using the os.environment, you can set your Hugging Face API token, this particular environment variable, with your API token that you have got from Hugging Face. Now in this particular tutorial, I will first showing you how you can load a normal like an LLM, and eventually how you can use that LLM in integration with Langchain also. So I have seen that most of the guys are facing some issues with Langchain because they need the tutorials that are present on the Langchain documentation are using OpenAI, which is paid. So in this case, I will be using Hugging Face LLMs, and they should be able to perform as good as OpenAI if you're using a better model. So in this case, so I'm using a Flan T5 base because it like the inference time is quite small. That is why I'm using it for demonstration purpose. But you can use any model that is available in Hugging Face. So let's get started. So first of all, set up your Hugging Face Hub API token as I'm showing here. Next, from langchain.llms, import Hugging Face Hub. So as you import OpenAI from langchain.llms, you need to import now Hugging Face Hub. And Hugging Face Hub, you need to provide two parameters. One is repo underscore ID Google forward slash flan T5 base, and some model arguments that are required. So in this case, the model argument that is required is temperature. In some other cases, some other argument might be required. Like for example, in case of Phi2 by Microsoft, some custom code sort of a parameter is required. So all these parameters would go into this model arguments, right, in this particular dictionary. Now once you have loaded the LM, it is very easy to inference. Just provide your prompt, tell me something, and it is giving you an answer. That's finished. So as Flan T5 base is not known for its performance, ignore the results for now, but just see that the pipeline is working, and this is how you can load any model using Hugging Face up from Langchain.llms. Here you just need to mention the repo ID. Like for Phi2, it would be Microsoft hyphen forward slash Phi2. Like for other models like Llama 7 billion or be it Mistral, you need to check out their code in Hugging Face, which is very easily available. Like for example, for Mistral, it is Mistral AI forward slash Mistral hyphen 7b hyphen v0.1. So like this, just Google what is the code for these LLMs, and eventually you will get it. Now let's see that baseline example with Langchain also. So in this case, I'm using a prompt template, name and variable, output just the name. Using the prompt templates, I've already explained what are prompt templates and all in my previous videos, so I'm ignoring that for now. Now here you can see that using the Hugging Face Hub, again the same model I'm loading as an LLM, and then passing that LLM object into the LLM chain object. So I think I already explained all this stuff in my previous videos, and then passing the prompt also. And then I'm running this chain sports. So name a sports, output just the name. So output is polo. So this is how you can use Hugging Face LLMs and any LLM. It's not just that this is Flan T5 based just because the inference time is small, but you can use any LLM, and it integrates well with LangChain also. Yeah, thank you so much.